How to download template poster from Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the template poster using Canva. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for canva.com, and you will have to sign into your account. And once you do that, you will be heading over to this page, and from over here just make sure you are on the home page. So let me just reassure it, and from over here you might get the option directly as a poster portrait or Instagram post. So once you search in for the particular poster or anything you want, that is your customized poster, you just make sure you select the right poster, that is not a premium one. So if you want to use premium version of poster, you just need to upgrade to Canva Pro. For that you just need to pay certain amount to Canva. So since I'm using free account, I will just click on this, and from over here what you need to do is just click on this customize this template button over here, and once you click on it you'll be heading over to this page where you can see you can actually customize anything, your design, from your design or text or your patterns, just like this, and just click on this share button over here, and all you have to do is just click on this download, and it should be successfully downloaded to your device. Just make sure it's not a premium version. So let me just show you by downloading a free version over here. So as you can see, this is the free version of the poster I was talking about, and just make sure it's a free and it's not premium, and you will be successfully able to download this by simply clicking on it. As you can see, I've already downloaded this file over here, and you can just view it from over here. So that is exactly how you can easily download the template poster using Canva. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.